Number 10. Number 9.
First truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.
Number 8.
AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything. So you can swipe with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, it won't drain your battery, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar, plug and touch when you need it.
Number 7. Number 6.
Learning and playing always seem to be on opposite sides, but we believe we can change that. Meet Sphero Spark Edition, the playful robot that makes programming fun and offers challenges for every skill level. Spark began as a local meetup group where we taught kids how to code. A year later, we launched a series of free lessons, enabling students and teachers to discover all that's possible with the Sphero Ball. Now, as we face a future where coding will be as important as reading and writing, we want to give everyone the opportunity to learn the language of tomorrow. In the box, you'll find Sphero Spark Edition, an induction charger, and a few other handy tools to help you get creative. The ball itself comes packed with all the same sensors and electronics as Sphero 2.0, but unlike Sphero 2.0's white shell, we've encased Spark Edition in clear polycarbonate, bringing you closer to the robotic action. Get started by downloading the Spark app and connecting to your ball via Bluetooth. If you're new to coding, learn some basic principles by first exploring the sample programs. Then, set off to create your very own, using drag and drop commands like roll, spin, flip, and color change. At any time, you can even access the actual code behind the blocks and get a sense of how text-based programming operates. If you need a break from coding, turn your device sideways to just drive, or tap on the Community tab to see what others are creating. Spark Edition is also compatible with all of the other games and apps already available for Sphero. We have big plans for Spark Edition, so be sure to check for updates. It's time to break the rules about learning. So fire up your imagination and begin exploring robotics, programming, and so much more.
Number 5.
How does your phone survive with today's common cable? Do you carry a bulky cable around? Or just put up with your phone dying? Let's face it, the time for a breakthrough in cable design is long overdue. This is LifeLink, the ultra-portable cable that makes charging on the go easy and stress-free. Keep LifeLink in your purse and it's always there for you. Store it in your wallet or your phone case and you're good to go. Attach it to your keys and you'll never be without a cable again. It's your smartphone's new best friend. LifeLink is easy to use. Just plug it into any USB port and get charged fast. Be in your car, on a flight, at work, with a portable battery, on a laptop, tablet, or even a TV. So what makes LifeLink such a breakthrough in cable design? Firstly, it's as long as your credit card and amazingly as thin as two combined. But when opened, it extends to more than double its length. Secondly, the tough red cable is engineered with Teflon technology. This makes your LifeLink a heavy-duty compact cable that's both flexible and built to last. LifeLink works with all Android and Apple smartphones and tablets. And because it's always with you, you can share it with your friends, so they can stay connected too. Hi, I'm Feist, one of the co-founders of Plus Us. We realized more and more people were getting frustrated, like we were, by getting stranded with a dead phone and no cable. So we started developing LifeLink to create an ultra-portable cable that best supports your lifestyle and the way that you use your phone. But LifeLink is much more than a breakthrough in cable design. It goes beyond that. With every LifeLink ordered, Plus Us will contribute towards a cause of your choice. Provide education for a child, shelter for a family, or clean water for a community. You choose. Pre-order now and be one of the first to join our community and get your LifeLink this winter.
Number 4.
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install, and I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da.
Number 3.
It may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? Because we've made it easy. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it. And there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our cameras. This time, we started small, so you can dream big. we created your first personal drone, but we're still squeezing in big power. It automatically follows you or whatever you want without a bracelet or tracker, avoids obstacles, and comes packed with a 4K stabilized camera, 27-minute flight time, and a whole lot more. This is the DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the DJI Mavic Pro Unfolded. To make it this small, we had to rip out a ton of cool stuff, right? No, it's got 24 high-performance computing cores, dual satellite connectivity, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile range, 4 vision sensors, and more. Sound complicated? It's not. It's easy. The Mavic knows where it takes off from, where it is in the air, where it's going, and what it's capturing. When you take off, the Mavic uses 2 vision sensors and connects with up to 20 satellites, all so it can remember your location. This means the Mavic knows where home is, so it can return by itself. Precision landing technology means it can land almost exactly where you took off, at the touch of a button. As you fly, satellite systems keep track of you, working in harmony with all 4 vision sensors, telling it what's below and what's in front, whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. That means it can avoid the things in its path, from trees to walls. Any good flying camera needs stabilization. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. Unlike electronic stabilization, you use every pixel from the sensor, and you don't have the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. Active track technology means it just takes a few taps. Not just one kind of tracking shot either. It's got spotlight, profile, and trace. Or use tap fly to tap and fly. Terrain follow mode keeps the Mavic at a height you define as the ground rises, so you can focus on your shot, not your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad-sized controller you can keep in your pocket. It opens up to clamp around your phone and has been custom engineered to give you more feedback and more accuracy. You will always feel in control. If you don't want to bother with the controller, fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone over Wi-Fi. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, active track modes are ready to make you shoot like a pro. Want to be on camera, not behind it? It just takes a wave and a gesture. Then there's the new DJI goggle. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Combine them with sport mode to get your pulse pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Once you've got your shots, edit everything together in DJI Go and share or even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. Inspiration can strike from the smallest thing: a sketch, a feeling, an experience. The Mavic has been designed for you to take it anywhere, ready at a moment's notice, whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. DJI Mavic, wherever you go.
Number 2.
A flip is Sugru. This is Sugru. It feels like Play-Doh, super easy to use, and overnight it turns into rubber. Sugru is 3-dimensional and fills weird gaps. So you can stick anything to anything! Ooh, oh, so it's easy to fix broken plastics like toys and cracks in the fridge. Patch rusting metal in your dishwasher. And replace missing parts. It's not just about fixing. If it's not broken, you can improve it. Make handy hooks with almost anything. Or rubber feet to protect things. Or make things more comfortable. Sugru is super durable, so it's perfect for use indoors and out. So you can reimagine anything, like Stefan, who transformed an old digital camera into a kick-ass kids cam. Go on! The world is full of crap, but it's our crap. These ideas come from people all over the world that are using Sugru to make their stuff last longer and work better for them. Join us on Sugru.com. Dive in and get excited. Sugru's not responsible for your imagination.
Number 1.